Okay, what are you making?
We're making a cake that's what kind is a oppression cake.
You're making an oppression cake?
Yeah, Mom's helping me, my mama.
Do you think we're making a depression cake?
Yeah, depression cake.
And it's not the sadness depression cake, it is a...
The happy depression cake.
It's a happy depression cake. The beauty of a depression cake is that there's no eggs and no butter. And what?
I think I have.
You already are saying
Hi.
hi. A depression cake came about when the country was on hard times and people didn't have access to eggs and butter and dairy, and so they came up with this, and it's awesome. It's a chocolate cake, right? So should we start?
Wait, can we eat it after one slice?
Yes.
Can I?
Yes.
Yay.
You can. So I don't know if you can reach this. I don't think you can reach. Can you reach in this jar?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Do you know how to get? We need 3 of those because we need 1.5 cups total. Here, I'll help you, Scott.
I need a knife.
Yep. Oh, good job. All right.
Okay.
Well done, Olivia. Who taught you that?
I watch you.
Oh. So now we need sugar. Do you know why we're making a cake?
Eddie's birthday!
Eddie's birthday. So we need 1 cup of sugar, and how big is this?
1 cup.
This is a 1/2 cup. So is that how many do we? Oh no! Wash your hands. Get down and wash your hands. Mom will do this part for now.
No, I know.
There's plenty for you to do. It'll be fine. I'm just gonna add our cup of sugar. You need paper towel. I'll help you. Can you wash your hands a little bit more? Like scrub them? Ooh, let's see if we can get a 4th cup out of this.
Can I dump it though?
I'm just gonna do that.
No.
And I think we're gonna call that enough. There you go.
Is it time to mix?
Nope, not yet. So you pinch 3 fingers together and then drop it in.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Nope. Pinch your fingers. Okay. Now we need baking soda.
I'll do it.
Do you think you're gonna do it?
Yes.
All right, I need a teaspoon.
Can't I just stick my hand in there?
Nope, we're not just gonna stick our hand in the baking soda bag. So you need a level teaspoon of baking soda. You're very precise, young lady.
What does precise mean?
Precise means accurate.
What does that mean?
Accurate means correct. You're with precision. Why do you ask me to define words? We're gonna do a 1/3 cup of oil.
Can I dump it?
Yes, you can dump it. There you go. Just be careful. Perfect. Great job. Very minimal spilling is always good. And then this is our vinegar, and I'm just gonna add this. This is a teaspoon. Bam!
Whoa.
That's a teaspoon of vinegar, and now we're going to stir it. Did you know in this cake there's a lot of different ways
Chocolate.
that you can make it? Some people put all their dry ingredients in the pan, and then they make like a well, and then people put the wet ingredients into the wells, and then they mix it up. So they do it right in the pan. Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
We can try that one next time. Okay, so guess what we have here, little girl? Guess what we have here?
Chocolate.
It's chocolate cake that we can put in the oven, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven for anywhere from 30 to 35 minutes. And in that time, you're gonna go inside and help Dad make lunch, right?
I'm gonna steal it here.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see if we can have fun playing. I'm gonna put it in the oven if that's okay.
Happy birthday to
So we've had a
Eddie.
development since we made this.
Tomorrow is Eddie's
Eddie
birthday.
said he doesn't want cake for his birthday.
Oh yeah, I want cupcakes.
No, he wants Danish for his dessert. Did you hear him say that?
Yeah, also cupcakes, he said.
Which means we're gonna have to just eat this. What do you think? But it's still a treat we can have tonight, right?
Not tonight, right now.
Now, I don't recommend ever cutting into a cake when it's this hot, okay? Because it needs to finish baking in the pan on your counter and cool and let everything come together, but we're gonna break all the rules. Because a depression cake breaks all the rules, right? Yeah, so should we cut into it and see? What do you think? Are you gonna be able to handle this?
Yeah, I'm gonna love it. I want the biggest piece.
Do you? Mm-hmm. You are my daughter.
And daughters love to eat cake.
And daughters love to, don't just wait. How about we let that cool for like a minute before you take a big bite. But thank you so much for helping me bake a cake in the kitchen today. Did you have fun? Yeah? Should we share this with everybody else? Yeah, are you gonna help? No. I don't know whether to laugh or cry. I'm raising such a spoiled, a selfish kid. You want to share, right? Maybe. All right, well, thanks so much for joining us, and I'll have the recipe up on iambaker.net if you would like to make your own chocolate depression cake. Another good fun option for this cake is covering it in loads of chocolate frosting or vanilla frosting or any frosting that you love, but it's also good just as is. So I hope you'll head on over to the blog and check it out and enjoy it, and we're gonna try our cake now. Say goodbye, little girl.
Goodbye!
Bye. What do you think?
I love it.